How to earn passive income per referral on Shopify. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to break down the Shopify affiliate program, how it works, how to join, and how you can start earning $150 or more per referral. Whether you're a blogger, YouTuber, or content creator, this is a great way to earn passive income by promoting a trusted e-commerce platform. So let's jump right in. So first, what exactly is the Shopify affiliate program? It's a program where you can earn commissions by referring new customers to Shopify. You'll get a unique referral link, and every time someone signs up for a paid Shopify plan through your link, you get paid. It's free to join and you don't need to be a Shopify user to participate. So joining the program is very simple. You gotta simply head over to shopify.com affiliates, and here you'll be able to see an interface like this. So you gotta click on apply now, and then you'll be taken over to an application interface. So you gotta fill out the application form, and be honest, you gotta simply click on sign up, and then you're going to sign up to your Shopify account. Just simply, accept the contract terms for Shopify. And it is very detailed about how you plan to promote Shopify. This includes the platforms you'll use, your audience, and your marketing strategies. So you're going to submit your application and wait for approval. It usually takes a few business days. And once approved, you'll gain access to your affiliate dashboard, tracking tools, and marketing resources. So now let's talk about how you get paid. You earn a one-time bounty for every new merchant who signs up for a paid Shopify plan using your link. So the amount you earn depends on the plan tier and merchant location, but many affiliates report earning $150 or more per referral. Some affiliates also qualify for recurring commissions, especially if they're referring high-volume merchants or using advanced promotional strategies. To start earning, you need to share your referral link effectively, and here are some popular ways to do that. Head over to blog posts, write about Shopify's features, pros and cons, or how-to guides for beginners. YouTube videos, tutorials like this one, Shopify store walkthroughs, or comparison with other platforms. Social media, share short tips or success stories on platforms like Instagram, Twitter, or TikTok. Email newsletter, recommend Shopify in your niche. Newsletters or welcome sequences. Product reviews or case studies, these build trust and often convert better. So once you've started promoting, head over to your Shopify affiliate dashboard, and you can track how many clicks your links are getting, see how many signups have occurred, monitor your total earning and payouts. Shopify also provides banners, logos, and content templates to help improve your marketing efforts. Here are some quick strategies to help you make the most of your Shopify affiliate account. You can target beginners, you can use SEO, create comparison content, share success stories, repurpose content. And a few things to keep in mind is that you must disclose your affiliate relationship. For example, say this video contains affiliate links. If you purchase through my link, I may earn a commission at no extra cost to you. Shopify has guidelines on branding and promotional content, so make sure to read those once you're accepted. You need to generate real signups. So you can earn $150 plus per referral just by recommending Shopify. You can promote it through blogs, videos, emails, or social media, and it's free and beginner friendly to get started. If you're already creating content in e-commerce or business space, this is a great opportunity to add an income stream while helping others launch their online stores. So if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.